Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular power supplies: the Segotep 750W and the ARESGAME 650W. Both power supplies are designed for PC gaming, but they cater to different needs. The Segotep 750W offers high wattage and advanced features, while the ARESGAME 650W provides a more budget-friendly option. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. The Segotep 750W power supply provides significantly higher wattage compared to the ARESGAME 650W. This makes the Segotep a better choice for high-end systems that require more power, especially when using modern graphics cards. On the other hand, the ARESGAME 650W is suitable for less demanding builds, making it a more economical option for budget-conscious users. One of the standout features of the Segotep 750W is its fully modular design, which allows for clean cable management and easier installation. In contrast, the ARESGAME 650W is a non-modular power supply, meaning all cables are permanently attached. This can lead to cluttered setups and less flexibility in cable routing. The Segotep 750W boasts an 80+ Gold certification, indicating higher energy efficiency and lower heat generation compared to the ARESGAME 650W, which is rated at 80+ Bronze. This means that the Segotep not only saves on electricity costs, but also contributes to a cooler and quieter system overall. In conclusion, the choice between the Segotep 750W and the ARESGAME 650W ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're building a high-performance gaming rig, the Segotep 750W is the clear winner with its superior wattage, modular design, and efficiency. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option for a less demanding setup, the ARESGAME 650W is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.